Vernon. Oh, Vernon, where are you, Vernon?
Die!
Where are you?
Where are you? You're waiting, right? Right?
What are you hiding, Holloway?
Where are you?
Right here.
Where are you gonna put it?
Come, and I'll show you.
Are you?
I'm in London. I'm in San Francisco, honey.
Oh, Dave, where are you?
Where are you, Alvin?
All right.
Where are you? Come out! Come out! Where are you, you little rascal? I'm coming to get you.
Where are we?
Dude, where are we?
Are you guys okay?
Where are we?
This is Colombia.
Where are we? What is this place?
Desert.
Desert.
Where are we?
Don't ask. Just try to be polite.
Where are we?
This doesn't look like the city or the jungle, Mr. Fredrickson.
So where are we? We are south of the city center.
Where are we? What is that?
That's Earth.
Where are we? Oh, here, Highway 61. 4 miles to the gas station, turn left. Da 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 da.
Oh, where are we?
Welcome to Baby Corps.
Where are we? Long-term memory. Wait.
Where are we?
We're homepage.
Where are they?
Where are they?
Down the road. Let's go.
Where are they?
Where are they now?
I don't know, but they seem to be moving their way up the block.
There are no slaves. Where are they?
I was just wondering that. They said.
No visible recognition.
Come on, move. Move!
My family. Where are they? Can I help you?
Where are they?
Behind you.
Where are they? I can't see them. CHP North. Do you have a visual?
Where are they?
Benedict.
Shut up!
Where are they? They passed away.
The question on everyone's mind, where are they now?
Move it, move.
Where is he?
It's in his room. Let me have it.
Where is he? I said, where is he? El gringo chingón quiere que le compre la cámara.
Who owns the pickup?
Where is he? He's over here. Jesus.
Where is he?
Did you shoot Rayburn Swanson?
Where is she?
Where is she?
She's asleep in my bedroom.
Where is she? Where is she? Please.
Alex isn't here.
Where is she?
I think she's somewhere outside.
Where outside?
Anne, where is she?
I'm here.
Your new teacher. Where is she?
He.
Well, where is he?